Do the Julia.
I guess it's every other day.
Oh, okay.
Julia. Julia.
That's how.
How do you need it? Right?
There's my little munchkin. Hi, Munch. Hi, Munchie.
Would you like to babysit a little
Smile.
Chair.
Happy New Year.
Go sit in that chair.
Yes, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy Rosh Hashanah.
Oh, that's right.
What am I doing?
Funny.
George is going to move the car, and Martha's going to leave.
Bye.
Bye. The workers have finally quit for the evening. Is that Orsi? That's Bitsu. She's afraid of the others. Not afraid of Marty,
We
though.
went to an obvious radar trap and it's
Here, Munchkin has made himself quite comfortable.
I never.
Quite comfortable there. And Orson is there also.
I never really.
How about that?
No, I know. I thought that's something to do with the radio all the time. Because I'm.
Susan
Zuzu
entirely
Weimark
different than
peeps
any-
every once in a while also, and I'm wondering if that is Zuzu Weimark.
Oh, I know.
It's a piece of shit little cock, but
Crushing the.
Oh, Bill has finally arrived from his meeting. George and Betty on the couch, and Laura's in the rocking chair.
I think that'd be
There's Michael.
so much fun. As I was sitting out there in the bleachers, I was imagining a incredible